Hi class, today I have another example of the 5-number summary and the IQR. So here we go. Okay, so here we have a set of data. It actually is the scores of 12 students on an algebra test. And we can see that we've already lined them up least to greatest, which is the number one important thing to do when you're finding the IQR, which is the interquartile range. And we have them going from least to greatest. So the first thing it asks us to do is find the minimum. Our minimum is the least number, which is 63. And our maximum is our highest number, which is 91. Okay. Next, I'm going to find the median. The median is the center of data. So what I do is I figure out which one is in the center by taking each one on the sides and eliminating them until I get right to the center. And you can see that there's actually 2 in the center. So by finding the middle number, I have to find what's in between these two. I do that by adding 78 plus 80 equals 158, and then divide it by 2, which is 79. And if we could see, the number in between 78 and 80 is actually 79. So my median is 79. Hopefully I can see that. Okay. Next, I'm going to find my lower quartile. My lower quartile, if you remember, is between the median. So I'm actually going to use the number 78 to 63 because 79 is the square in the box that's around it. So I'm going to do 63, 78, 65, 75, and then the center should be 70 and 70. And if I take 70 and I add it to 70, I've divided by 2, I'm actually going to get 70. And this is actually my quartile 1. So my lower quartile is Q1. Okay. Then I'm going to find my upper quartile, which it is between 80 and 91 because 79 is the median. We're not going to use that, but we're still going to use our 80. So I'm going to find the center of my quartile 3. Remember in my last video, I think I put it as quartile 2. It is actually quartile 3. So next, I'm going to find the center, which is 82. But there's 2 of them, so I need to add them up and divide them by 2, which is 82. Q3. Okay, and my last thing I need to do is to find my IQR, or my interquartile range, which is only just taking Q3 and subtracting from Q1. And if we remember, Q3 is 82, and then subtract it from 70, which is 12. My IQR is going to be 12. Oh, I should have done a different color. Okay, if you have any questions, just email me and I can go over it with you. But here's the 5-number summary and the interquartile range.